Good Monday afternoon and welcome on in to another episode of From Day One. Courtrooms are there and actually I think we've seen this one, so we will skip this particular episode. And we will move on to with our good friend over at Law Talk with Mike. And also with Father Skeptic along the ride for a twofer. Some Fatal Attraction. Mikey?
Let me see here. Let me get this. There he is.
There he is. There's Father Skeptic.
In the house.
Hi, Father Skeptic.
In America. By far, hands down. Other people try, they just fail. How you doing, Mike? Man, great to see you, brother.
I'm good. So we had a little chat yesterday, and he drops on me. I did a video a couple days ago. It was in Judge Simpson's room, and it involves Nathalie. You know who I'm talking about. One of my commenters hits us with maybe she's born with it, maybe it's Nathalie. I had to pin it. It was fantastic. We really should, I don't have that skill set, but we really should do that, like Saturday Night Live style, and like and intro all Nathalie segments with it. Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's Nathalie.
Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's Nathalie.
So anyway, I saw he's got a little clip. We're going to do this.
Might have to make that for you guys.
10 seconds of it, but not most of it. What I saw was delicious already.
You saw nothing. You saw nothing, Mike. Zero.
What did you do,
He intentionally
Skeptic?
did it so that he did not see anything because I don't know why nobody else caught this clip. It just happened to slip through the ether, and it almost got unnoticed, but not when Skeptic is on the case.
All right,
I
Father
catch every
Skeptic.
goddamn idiot out there. I just feel him. I'm like, there's an idiot over here, and I go that way, and there happens to be one.
There's disturbance in the force. I need to check.
Yeah.
There's an idiot in the
I'm
force.
told there were nuggets on Simpson's call again today. I mean, like every day.
I have the entire call recorded already. I just haven't gone through it yet.
I wasn't able to get to it, but okay. Let's Oh, by the way, Ben should be along to join us. He just texted me and said he's coming back from the detention center.
Oh, we got Ben
Too
too?
much trouble.
Well, I need to see.
I kid. He's probably over there with one of his clients.
He's in jail. All right. I gotta see this. Let's see. We have 313 people. Only 83 likes. 84 now that I've liked the video. We need 100 likes.
Click that thumbs down, guys.
I promise you,
drink itself.
it'll be worth it. I promise you.
I click my thumbs up, guys.
So here we go. Yeah, let me get Nathalie up for you guys, and you tell me when you're ready, Mike. And I'm ready to display.
Play whenever, Skeptic.
Here we go. Make sure. Let me know if you cannot hear it. But here we go. Everybody, grab your fucking seats. By the way, this is about to get crazy.
How about popcorn?
Oh, I clicked the wrong.
Yes, you did.
My OBS instead of my actual thing. Here we go.
No. I can't hear it.
Can't hear it. Yo, Skeptic boy. Audio.
You can't hear that?
I can't hear it.
No, we need audio, Skeptic.
Hold on, let me make sure that. Oh yeah, I guess it. Hey, I don't know why it wiped it off. All right. Life 3, by the way, people. I did it again. Is Nathalie. Here we go.
You took it off, stupid.
Now I hear it.
Okay, look. I don't know who you are, Life 3, but you're about to be kicked out of the courtroom. I apologize, if who are you? Nathalie Mason. You got her? Okay, I don't want to ever hear that in my courtroom about anybody. I apologize. I don't know if that's going to be good enough, but I'll get you when you get to your case.
We'll get to you.
Court calls case of the people versus Nathalie Mason.
This is where it gets good.
Arizona on behalf of the people.
Ready to get Torshell Feaster, assistant public defender on behalf of Miss Mason. Miss Mason, please unmute. State your name for the record.
That means you, dear.
Ms. Mason, please unmute and state your name for the record.
Can you pause it for just a second, Team Skeptic?
Had a whole lot to say before.
Hit the pause button.
second, yep.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
Okay, just to set it up for those who don't know, I had a short clip on her recently.
Yeah.
Last we checked in with Nathalie, she was pleading guilty, straight up, no problems about it, pleading guilty to shoplifting in a Walmart.
Yeah,
And
Correct.
And I was discussing this with Team Skeptic yesterday, and he said, "Oh no, I've got a better one."
yeah. So yeah.
I can believe my father's skeptic
and also,
does.
in yesterday's clip, I don't know how much of it you got, but he passed her. He signed a bench warrant for her, and we talked about it because she was like, "Thank you, Jesus," and he was like, "It's Judge," you know. But she was sitting there the whole time. Her phone dies,
Yeah.
and that's when Simpson calls her.
Call the case if it doesn't.
30 seconds after her phone dies, and then when she comes back, she's sitting there for about 5 minutes before she interrupts and goes, "Hey,
Yep.
I'm Nathalie. Did y'all call my name when my phone died?" And Simpson goes, "No, we
No,
didn't."
and then the clerk
goes,
has to go, "Yeah, we did, Your Honor."
Her a warrant, and that's when he goes, "All right, I'll recall the warrant." And he, "Thank you, Jesus."
No, I've just
All
used
right,
your
here we
judge,
go.
Honor.
Now this is a few days before. So this was her first appearance for
Okay.
that. Here we go.
Back to the
And
Maybelline.
she's having trouble. She's not muted, or she's muted.
I'm ready for court now. Please unmute.
Nathalie, speaky.
I already got in trouble because I thought I was muted, and I wasn't. And this guy, he was calling this guy name. He was sitting there looking crazy. I was like, hey, listen off. But I didn't know harm. Miss Mason. State your name.
Oh, Lord.
State your name for the record.
It gets better.
Nathalie Mason. Thank you, Judge. Today's the date and time set for pre-trial in this matter. I've spoken to Miss Mason and to the prosecutor's office. And
How'd that go? No,
Not too well.
It's been rough, Judge. At this time, there are no offers on this file. If we could adjourn this matter, Your Honor, so we can hopefully get an offer, and if not, move this matter forward in another way to resolve the judge. But can I talk to Judge? May I say something? No.
Yes, please no.
What do you no.
Please, for the love of hell, no.
I don't have an income because I'm disabled now. So I was trying to explain to him that I talked to a court clerk at 14A District Court. I called the bus back up there and talked to her and told her my situation. She said I could make a payment plan. She said they never sent me through the mail. Miss Mason?
Shut up.
Yes. Because if that's not this case. Excuse me? Is that on this file? Because if it's not on this case, Judge Simpson cannot do anything about that today. Well, which case is it? It got to be the one I went to. It got to be the one that
Oh, dear God.
Because it's a case from I had a bench warrant on. It was a warrant out for me on this case because I didn't pay the $180.
Okay, you never had a bench warrant on this
Excuse
one.
me?
You never had a bench warrant on this one.
Is this the one where I had the crack pipe? I got caught stealing from
Damn.
No, this is the one where you were stealing from the store.
This is what you were stealing from Walmart, my dear. Stop. Stop giving yourself up here.
From Myers on Home Depot. Okay, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
And that's the one that you ruled on for.
No, this is Myers.
Miss Myers, you're selling yourself. Oh, dear.
You were stealing stuff.
That's the one that.
Allegedly.
Allegedly on purpose.
What did you do with the crack pipe? That might have happened before or after. That has nothing to do with that.
Door show. Oh, God.
It happened at the same time, Judge Simpson.
Well, I don't know that.
You gave me $188. You gave me Miss Mason? Miss Mason?
Miss Mason? Shut the fuck up.
So would you please stop until we can try to get this matter resolved? And we can deal with all that stuff at a different time? Okay, so I don't want to go to no trial. What's going to take place now?
Hopefully you shut up. That's what's going to take place now.
So that everybody can talk to each other about it and get it. So I'm adjourning it to July 6th.
Thank you, Judge Simpson. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Defendant Mason.
Oh, I love Judge Simpson, man. I love Judge Simpson. He's amazing.
Yes, Judge Simpson is awesome.
And that's all we have for that one, for that clip. Yeah. So I'll be back on camera in a second. I forgot to charge my camera up, so it's gonna take a few minutes to charge up to get back on and stay on. But yeah, that's what I found, and then I knew that she was coming up a couple of days ago, and her next clip was pretty good, and you covered that one. I'm gonna put them together and make my own crack pipe Karen video coming soon. We'll say, hey, I'll tell you what, if everybody will show up there tomorrow, I'll put Crack Pipe Karen out on Saturday. And I don't release on Saturday, but I'll do it for you guys.
Oh, so that's what we aired with Father Skeptic before.
Oh, hey, let me tell you also this. Judge Simpson had a great trial today. Oh, man.
Yeah?
A great landlord-tenant case.
Uh-oh.
He got frustrated and fucking went off on everybody, including the attorneys. Or attorney, there's only one represented. But yeah, that's a good one. You're gonna have to check that one out when you get a chance.
All right.
Sounds good.
I got a bunch of messages that there was quality stuff on his call, but I was putting this together and I didn't have time.
I got the whole thing recorded. We're good.
All right. Well, I think we should do is get this party started. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. If Ben shows up, and I hope he does, we'll all pop on there. Oh, Old Squishy Gardner's in here.
Squishy!
Yeah, big shout out to Old Squishy Gardner.
Heck yes.
Our Nevada Judges is here, and I poached his whole stream.
Squishy is awesome.
Big shout out to our Nevada Judges.
Nevada Judges is with us too? Man, look at the party.
Team Skeptic.
Hey, we need to congratulate Old Squishy Gardner. He passed 10K yesterday.
Oh, he did. Congratulations.
Video past week, I think. I was telling him we're gonna get you there, and he messaged me back. He's like,
I'm there.
I'm already above 100K. I was like, fuck. I thought it was gonna be
I like that, dude. I'll help you get there. Like, dude, I'm already there.
Off of OSG.
I sent him one of the clips that we're going to see today, which is just short, which is us on Judge Simpson, is Chu, the defendant Chu. I sent him a portion of that, but he got. I did one on. It was called Big.
Yeah, that guy's nuts.
It was a great one. You know, he flips off the judge and the whole thing like that. He was in front of Fresh Hour. I have his follow-up appearance in front of Judge Simpson, which is fantastic. But Old Squishy Gardner found more appearances, and that video today, if you guys haven't seen it, go check it out. It's blowing up, and it should. It should.
I'm going to cover that live tonight. But that case, I don't know how much you know about that case from, because
tell us.
I'm not sure where everybody's cutting off at, but there's a lot of lead up and follow through between the judges and attorneys about the cases, with that guy in particular, because he is gone. He's mental. I mean, he cannot stop. And have you seen the video yet? Did you see the follow-up with Fresh Hour where his girlfriend was there as well?
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
I did that one. OSG had, today's video, he had Fink. He had 2 appearances with Fink, one with Fresh Hour, and the last one with Simpson.
Oh, is that what the Fatal Attraction was about?
By the way, also was sent to me by Jess Carroll.
Yes, I believe so.
Everybody go over there and subscribe, because I can't link her channel because she doesn't have 1,000 subscribers yet. We should really change that. She's got a bunch of good clips over there.
Hey,
so I'll wait. Would you get her up?
Fatal Attraction in the title?
Yeah, Fatal Attraction.
Well, then let's do shoot here. I don't have to do it on my channel. I got plenty of material. We can do shoot here.
Yeah, we've got a couple. Well, that's a short clip, and then we've got a long 3B Fatal Attraction, also with our good friend Deborah Davis doing the prosecuting.
Oh, Deborah Davis.
Did you get times here? It's big times at happy hour.
Did you get the Judge Middleton freak out that happened at the end of yesterday's docket?
No.
Wait, Judge Middleton freak?
Real quick, your chat will love it.
Middleton freak?
How long is it?
About 7-8 minutes, I think.
Yeah.
Do it.
Let me get it. I got it.
Do it.
When I got this one, I was like,
I'm wondering if it's the same hearing or not, but I don't think it is.
If Middleton freak, definitely do it.
A half hour, 40 minutes long.
No. I've got it right here. I have
let's
it.
do it.
Let me.
Yeah, Middleton Frank, do it.
Right now, hold on. It is. Oh, just so you know, it's 14 minutes long.
I don't care.
I'm doing this one too. This is another Karen in Court source video, but you guys are welcome to use it as much as you want.
Don't
and
care.
I'll
Do
send it to
it.
you over email if you want as well.
Cool.
But let me. Have you seen this one yet? Do you have 14 minutes? 15 minutes. It's 14:52.
We'll make as much time as we need. Father Skeptic, play.
This one is really, really, really good. And you know, Mike, I don't be blowing smoke up nobody's ass. When I told you Crack Pipe Karen was good, Crack Pipe Karen was on point, right?
You came through on Crack Pipe.
This one right here. Oh man, this is Ambrosia Amber right here. She can't stop drinking. Let's go ahead and
let's check it out.
Play this one. This one's really, really good. A violation drunk lady on July 6th. This was not supposed to be at the end of his docket. This was slid in at the very end. I think he did in-person sentencings yesterday, and they threw her in on a probation violation. And this is a bond hearing, so it wasn't even supposed to be seen yesterday.
Yep.
Here we go.
Okay.
What are you talking about? I didn't. Oh, am I ready?
No. We're not ready for your case yet. We'll be with you in just a moment.
I didn't know that anyone would hear me.
And we have Amber Stevens here. This is an unscheduled polycom.
Are you fucking kidding me? Hold on, time out. Oh my god, I just realized it.
Yeah.
I call Karens in court Ambers because of Amber Heard. This Karen's name is Amber. This isn't Amber. This is my first Amber named Amber. I've already had a Karen named Karen. This is
Amber named Amber.
My last Karen video, I did this whole video, and then I realized when I did the thumb and I changed the thumb because I'm like, oh my god, her name is actually Karen.
This is going to be my first Amber. That's an actual Amber named Amber. Oh, and she's
We've got an Amber alert.
She's a piece of shit. Here we go.
Morning, Ms. Stevens. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right. Your lawyer, Lori Hines, was here with me, and I asked her to stick around so we could address this. Also,
Right.
for your probation agent is here, and Deborah Davis from the prosecutor's office. I started my morning today with an email from Deputy Brandon Dahl. I stopped a vehicle last night. Amber Stevens was inside. She was arrested and lodged on a warrant. She smelled of booze. Her PBT was 169. She told me she was on probation. So I knew that as soon as I logged in this morning. Oh, no, beat me to it. She was at 6:57.
Thank you.
And so I knew we would be seeing you. Let's talk about why there is a warrant. The file number here is 202494. Charge is domestic violence.
Thank you.
I haven't yet had a chance to cut out all the silences on this one. It just happened yesterday, so
No
it's
problem.
in its full feature. Even with the silences, my bad.
No problem, Skeptic. We can
No
live
problem.
with it.
That's not bad. Thank you, T in Tennessee.
Way back in August of 21, alleging that you had failed to report on a monthly basis, failed to report in July and August, failed to participate in treatment, failed to comply with community mental health. She prepared a status report. The matter was set for a probation violation hearing.
Yeah, it was.
And it was adjourned because of some conflicts to September 29th. Then you didn't show up on September 29th. And I issued
No,
a
'cause he's
bench warrant for
stupid.
your arrest.
Yes, you did, Your Honor.
And so that warrant, I think, has been out since last September.
Yeah, it has, Your
It
Honor.
got picked up last night. So this is a bench warrant violation. What we're actually doing, you were set for a probation violation hearing where we were going to take testimony on whether or not you had violated your probation by doing those things that Autumn alleged in the petition. Failing to report, failing to test, failing to do treatment, failing to do community mental health, and now
Failing to be a
charge of
human.
being intoxicated.
Failing to have a
But
brain
we
cell.
had to adjourn it, then you didn't show up, and we just lost you for a year. Where have you been since last September?
Running away from you, Your
I've
Honor?
still been at my grandparents' house.
On Michigan Avenue?
Yes.
What have you been doing?
Staying away from
Working
you?
for her here and there. I don't know. What else?
Well, did you think there was a warrant out for your arrest?
Just put a link to your
Well,
in the chat, please.
Not at first, and then I ended up finding a letter that came in the mail, saying that, like, you guys were gonna give me a really good offer, and it was like from
Thank you.
I don't remember what it said, but it was a good offer that I would have took. But I didn't get to it quick enough. I was.
Did you need me to stop it, Mike? I'm sorry. I was trying to listen for if you were telling me to
No,
stop it.
you should be
I
fine,
thought you
Father
said stop it.
Skeptic.
No.
Anyway, since we stopped it,
Okay.
we'll just say this. She's had a lot of violations in the past already.
Yes.
They finally caught
These
her.
allegations are well founded.
So there was a reason to get her before she picked up what appears to be new charges. He'll get to those in a second.
Okay.
I guess I was staying with a friend at the time when I had came. I was with a friend for I went over there, stayed there for like a few days or a week or so, and that's when I missed the letter that came in the mail from you guys and from Autumn. It was a good offer, and I missed that.
Yeah,
And,
you did.
yeah.
All right. Are you drunk right now?
Yeah.
No.
Judge Middleton don't give a fuck.
Well, I just been sleeping, I guess.
Drinking, I
I've
guess.
been in the cell here at the jail. Or, I don't know.
How did you get picked up last night?
I was
I don't know.
an idiot, Your Honor.
Here's where it's going to start getting good.
Blinker.
Someone that got stopped?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go with
Tell
that,
me
Your
about
Honor.
that.
Tell you about that. I'm not sure.
Well, who were you with?
My grandmother.
Try again.
Pull your grandmother over.
She wasn't using a blinker or something like that.
Where was this?
Right by my grandparents' house.
On Michigan Avenue?
Yes. Or on 131.
All right, and then they realized you had a warrant for your arrest and you were arrested.
Thank you.
Yes.
Did anybody else get arrested?
No.
Sounding very, very suspicious, Your Honor.
I'm not sure we can really do much here. I have to arraign her. Lori hasn't had a chance to speak to her at all. Autumn hasn't had a chance to speak to her at all. You're still entitled to have a probation violation hearing. I'm not sure what your current state of mind is because you just spent a night in the jail and you were intoxicated when you got arrested.
I have no idea what that is, so sorry.
And I think we need to set this for.
Well, I can pay the courts for that probation. That's another reason why I had a probation violation. But I can get out and I can pay $200 on that. I would like to add.
What's her last name?
Rishel. Yeah.
No offense, but you're a mess.
Me? I know. I've been in a cell, sleeping and stuff.
Well, you've been AWOL since last September. You didn't show up. You haven't reported. You haven't talked to your probation agent. You get arrested last night with your grandmother. You're not driving.
Grandma's gangster.
2 times the legal limit, intoxicated. And I don't really know what's been going on with you since last September. I asked about why you didn't come, and you gave me some bunch of words that didn't address the question. I don't know what you've been doing, where you've been, what the state of your current circumstance is, but this probation has not been very successful. The complaining witness in the case is your grandmother, Barbara Rishon.
Oh, no.
And she's driving around with you drunk in the car. Where were you coming from?
On a domestic
We were coming from the house, going to the store.
Why do you keep covering your mouth? I can't.
Because it feels like my mouth is gonna I don't know. I guess my mouth is just dry. I don't know.
All right. Well, I need to do something with this. The problem is I'm about to go on vacation.
Do we have meth or something else involved here?
Yeah, right. Well, it's about to get good. It's still building up. It's about to have a firework ending.
Oh, it's already fun.
You ain't seen nothing yet.
You gave me a hard time for 6 days. 5 office days.
Oh, I don't know what to do with this. But I'm not going to let you out. I'm going to cancel your bond.
It's a smart move, Your Honor.
What?
You heard him, Amber.
But why? I have to work.
No, you had to behave.
Huh?
You're going to miss work.
I'm not gonna miss work. And I have money right now to pay the fines.
All right. It's not about the fines. It's about your total lack of compliance with your probation.
Oh, and that is wonderful.
You're going AWOL for 10 months. And your current state of mind, I'm not clear what it is.
How would you not be clear? I mean, what's my current state of mind? I don't feel,
Alcoholic.
No shit.
I know I've been sitting in a cell, so I look all funny and crazy.
Yeah, nobody was their best in jail.
I can barely hear you because people are talking over there.
All right.
Greg, it looks like we already have the arraignment, so this is, I guess,
Yeah, it was set for a PV hearing.
It is sad.
But
She
you
really
still
is
want to
pretty.
do that without her having
I
that.
want Lori to have an opportunity to talk to her. I want Autumn to get an update. I want the defendant to be more clear-headed.
Which is too bad because that would totally apply.
Yes, it would.
Looks like she was plugged in at 8:27 last night, so that makes more sense because I was wondering why the email came to me.
Yeah, so was that.
But yeah, so she was that intoxicated at 8:20.
Hear us up a little bit.
Gee whiz.
Now you guys know you're not supposed to have contact, right?
Of course, despite the fact that this wasn't on the call, Deborah's all over it.
Hopefully, I'm not getting pre-exams on the 19th. Because I've got other stuff set in there. They gave me one pre-exam with Rich King. And the rest of them are set. Let shoot for here.
Is that
11 a.m. on next
or Tuesday, July 19th.
Yes, get closer. We need to see you even better.
Mediation that morning in a domestic case.
She knows we're watching. That's why she won't show her mouth.
How about 2 p.m. on July 19th?
I can do 2 p.m. I just can't do the morning.
Autumn will do this between staffing and sobriety court. So for 2 p.m., July 19th.
We're gonna get down my birthday.
Your birthday is
July 21st.
Well, that'll yet to be determined.
So I have to sit in here, and I can't get out and take care of my job and whatever.
That's correct.
That's what jail's all about.
Yes. Your bond is.
Oh my God, you guys are just fucking ridiculous all the time. But why do you always want me to sit in a cell? Always.
No, she didn't.
Yeah,
That's
she
your
did.
I'm
reason.
getting tired of this. Every time I come here, you always want me to just sit in a cell. You act like it's nothing to you.
I don't think it's nothing to you. You don't think it's anything to me. I don't want to make this worse. I'll just put you in the waiting room. You're gonna sit in jail for being totally compliant with your probation.
I love how he says it.
Getting arrested last night while you were highly intoxicated, where you have a bond condition and a probation condition that you not use any alcohol. You've been AWOL since last September, and I'm not going to chase you around again. The very first date I can do this at great difficulty is the 19th of July. I will see you then, and if you want to wonder why you're in jail, look in the mirror.
Oh no.
He just shut the video off.
Oh no, she was looking for a mirror. That's
Yes.
how fun she is.
Yeah, July 19th, guys. We'll be paying attention to that date, too, because she'll
Sounds
be
good.
back. She will be back. It'll probably be in person, though, but it's going to be good, I'm sure.
Well, that was fantastic.
Well, what do you want to do next, Mike? I got lots of videos, or we can go to yours if you want.
Let me see here. Wait.
That's another Karen in court video that's coming out. I might pair that one up with the Maybelline Mason or whatever.
Maybelline?
Yeah.
All right. No. Let's get the big one started here. I'm trying to wrangle Ben in here. We've been going back and forth on text.
Yeah, where's Ben?
But we got a few here. Let me start with this here. Where? Oh. We'll do that. No. Let's get her started.
Now is in a throuple. In a throuple. In a throuple.
That you have Jeremy's shoe available?
Yes, Your Honor. You want to know?
All right. Yeah, you can come right up. Yeah, whenever you bring him up. Thank you.
Okay, so Jeremy Shue is the guy who flipped off Judge Freshour and got held in contempt. And his next appointment is with Judge Simpson. It doesn't go much better.
When is this one? Can I ask you? Because I've been following this. When did this trial happen?
This court appearance was the 7th. It was yesterday.
Okay.
And Just Kara sent this to me as well, which I also shared with OSG, who put it to good use.
I don't know what that means. Not too bad, we're on.
Well, somewhere down here where she was a shot. Yeah, I did. Mr. Hunter. He's in there here.
Court recalls the case of the People's State of Michigan versus Jeremy Shue.
Jessica Blanche Perry on behalf of people.
All right, Mr. Shu.
Yes.
I just signed an order. The public defender's office has withdrawn. You indicated to me that you have Mr. Alman on the other case. The assigned counsel has appointed Mr. Alman to this case for you.
Okay.
So what it's going to require me to do is adjourn this matter out.
Okay.
So I'm not sure because he's not here what his schedule is, so I'm going to adjourn it out 2 weeks. I realize you've got that other hold that you're working on out of 1484.
Yes. May I say something to the court?
Sure.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, here
This-
you go.
One, I have one question that I keep asking the officers. Nobody knows. Who is the chief judge of the district court?
Which district court? That would be, this district court would be Judge Conkey. You'll have to ask any
Conkey
other
don't
questions
play.
regarding that. I'm not going to deal with what may be issues.
Okay, it's Judge Conkey, the district
Judge
court.
who you have, yes.
Okay. The other thing is who would I file a extraordinary writ of habeas corpus to?
All right, let me just tell you something, Mr. Shu.
Stop being
Oh
stupid.
Lord. How do I do some crazy? How do I sue you and your employer? That's his question. Judge handles it. Yeah, I mean, no one's scared because like there's nothing less threatening than somebody who says, "How do I kick your ass?" Well,
Yeah.
apparently you don't know, do you? Also, I'm specifically obligated to not tell you how to do it. But the fact that you're asking me makes me have zero fear.
I'm not here to. We've dealt with each other before. I'm not here to give you legal advice. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What I will do in this case is
Laugh
I
at you.
will adjourn your probable cause conference. I'm going to adjourn that 2 weeks out, like I said, to the 21st. And the file now indicates Mr. Alman is your attorney of record on this matter. All right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Your bond will continue in this case.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day, sir. God bless you.
You too.
Remember, you look marvelous.
This is
And with that, we will bring part A to a close. However, there is more on this call. So come on back tomorrow, and we will, providing that I don't lose it, conclude the call. Until then, like, share, and subscribe. Be kind to one another, and release the Krakens. As we march along this afternoon and every afternoon as we get closer and closer to the 50,000 views and 1,000 subscribers here from day one. Have a great afternoon. We'll see you tonight.